Hello everyone, today we're unboxing a very exciting product. This is DJI Air 2S, just recently released, I believe only about a month ago. I ordered this yesterday and I got it today, very excited, so let's unwrap it. We got Fly More combo. This one includes more batteries, an extra bag, extra propeller set. Let's open it. Just slide out. Ooh. Okay. Look at this. A nice DJI bag and accessories. Ooh. It actually smells really nice. Smells like a real fresh product. Okay, here we go. Oh, I can see the drone. Oh, another pack of accessories. Really heavy. I think that's the controller, most probably. Let's leave it here. Oh no, I was wrong. This is the controller. I'll unwrap it in a little bit. A charger for 3 batteries at the same time, because we got a Fly More kit. And the drone itself. Okay. Quite small, fits in the palm. New camera, by the way, 1-inch sensor, really good for low light performance. This drone can shoot up to 5.2K resolution, I believe, at 30 FPS, but it also can shoot 4K at 60 FPS, which is what I would prefer most likely. So on this model we have upwards facing collision detection sensors, forward facing, bottom facing and backwards facing. So this drone is really good at avoiding all the obstacles, and we'll sure test it out. Okay, let's set it here. Propellers, they open to the side, and the back they open downwards, so like that. So again like this and downward. Here we go. This is how the drone would look like. Here on the sticker it says to charge the battery before the first use, which is what I'm gonna do. And on the back there's also a protection cover for the camera. We have to remove the sticker and also remove the protection to see. I might have done that backwards, but whatever. So press and remove carefully. Here we go. The new 1-inch sensor camera, 5.4K or 5.2K. Looks amazing. Okay. Now let's look at the accessories. Okay, so here, like I said, looks like a multi-charger. This is my first drone, by the way, so I'm just one of those excited users. Let's see, yep, a 3-way split. It looks like here you connect the power and 3 batteries over here. Really nice and high quality finish on this one. Impressed. And here's the controller. Quite heavy actually. I assume that's because of the battery. Really beefy. Oh. This part here is really rubbery, so it's really firm in your hands. Over here we have to put the joysticks. I think we also get a spare pair for this one. Actually joysticks are here, look at that. Amazing. I think you should be able to take them out like that. And then you just screw them in. There's a screw here. Look, it's all to keep it as minimum as possible so it all nicely fits in your small suitcase. Here we have the holder for the phone. Yeah, put your phone here, and also the cable is hidden inside. Let me see if I can. Yeah. This seems to be an Apple connector out of the box, but I believe we get all sorts of cables inside the accessories box. So if you have Android, Type-C, an old USB mini, it should all fit. A bunch of buttons here, turn it on. Photo button, I think this is a charge port. Type-C, by the way. Okay, now let's look at more accessories. This is a heavy box. I believe that's the battery. And the charger. Okay, let's take the battery out. Yep, that's battery number 1. Nice DJI charger. Battery number 2. There we go. Yep, nothing else. So we get extra 2 batteries. The one is included with the drone. These are part of the Fly More kit. So in case you're going somewhere and you know you're going to be flying a lot, you're going to be shooting a lot, you definitely want extra batteries with you in case you run out of juice and you don't want to run out of juice when you're filming. So 2 extra batteries. This is the connector for the charger and that platform, European socket. And let's see what this small guy is, I'm not sure. This is just a single adapter charger, so if in case you want to charge just one battery, or... no. It seems that this is actually a charger for your phone or something, because it's just saying that you input this battery and for output you get 5 volts, 2 amps. So you can charge your phone with this one. This is really something. Okay, and here we have the accessories box and quick start guide. Let's see. So here we have quick instructions how to start your drone. Download the app, install the propellers. We have 2 different color markings on the propellers, I'll show you later. So inside the accessories box, open it. Okay, some safety guidelines, accessories guide, this warranty. All right, here we have our propeller set. So I believe we have like extra 3 propeller sets because of Fly More combo. And if we notice here, one of them is marked with an orange circle and the other one is not. So this is how we know which one to put on which engine. So it's actually marked A and B. Okay. And here we have, I guess, ND filter set. Let's see. Always nice to open the packaging. A really nice looking box made of plastic. Let's open it. Here. Yeah. ND filters. So we have 4, 8, 16 and 32 stops. Really nice. And this is like some super smooth finish here. Close it up. Oh. So here in the box we have extra connectors for the controller. We got the Type-C and the old micro USB. An extra set of sticks for the controller. And another cable. This is probably the charger cable for the controller. This is type C to USB that you can plug right here and charge it. Let's install the propellers. Like I already said, we open the top ones outwards and the bottom ones downwards. Okay, and now we have these foam protections. We open them, take them off. Okay, and now you can see, as I explained, we have different markings on the motors. Here we have an orange color code, and here we have the black one. So now this one is a set B without any orange circle, so it has to go on the engine here. We simply press down and move it to the side, and that's it, it's locked. Here's another one. Now this one has an orange circle, so it's on this side for the orange. Again, we go and press down and move it to the side. That's it, it popped in. Make sure to open the blades fully. The black one goes here. Okay, and the orange one. Okay, I believe next we should start the controller and install the app. Let's do it.